Hello members of Illuminati, my name is Joel Illuminati, and as you can see I'm playing Freddy's, the first original one, because you may be intrigued to watch the second or third one, but in my opinion this one's the scariest, so you know, I'm putting myself up for a challenge right now. So we're just gonna hop right in and start playing this. Oh, and by the way, it's my first post, well, second, but first gaming post. Okay, so we'll cut to when we're actually in. Oh, in case you don't know the story of Five Nights at Freddy's, it's basically this strategy game where you try to survive these guys from killing you. So you can recommend safe, very safe horror games to me, and preferably free. But if they're paid, I'll try to get them, because, you know, why not? Shut up. Well, we're off to a good start, you know? Nobody moved yet. So if I get a jump scare, I'm probably gonna scream. Probably get punched. Oh crap. Oh no. Okay, well, we're off to a bad start. Changed very fast. Oh, and I'm on night 2, by the way. If you haven't looked in the corner yet. Okay, so they're both out. Well, at least the Freddy guy isn't coming out yet anytime soon. Oh, wow. Stuffy. It's doing like a little jig, you know, walking back and forward. Well, I'm pretty new to YouTube, so if you don't like my content, consider that I'm new to YouTube. Oh, is that him? Yep. Hippers. So I don't have much to talk about, so I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the gameplay. These kids are so happy. Oh my god, Nugget. Frick, Nugget. Biscuit. Crap. Please, no jump scare. Please. Oh, please. Please, no. Please don't. Oh, okay, we're safe from him. Why'd it make me get out of my... Jesus, I almost, like, pooped my pants there. I don't think they can move them unless I'm in my camera. Well, I don't think they can go to one of these spots unless I'm inside my camera. It makes a really scary, like, noise. So I think I'm good right now. I could just sit here. I don't want him to get me, though. I have had past experience with this game, so that's why I'm not, like, a complete nub at it. Okay, sorry about that. I just had an interruption. Okay. Okay, I'm doing pretty good right now. I'm not winning. You know. My knee.
My knee.
You suck. Fuck. I'm scared. I can't go into my freaking thingy, else I'll get jump scared. Why didn't I close the door when I had the freaking chance? Now I'm like screwed. Oh wait, no, Freddy can't. I forgot that's freaking Fox. Come on. I don't want to die. I'm too young. I'm only 13. Peanut butter jelly. It's probably boring for you guys, so I'm gonna skip to when something good happens. Oh no, I think the fox is gonna come in. Oh no. Back away. I might actually make it though. I mean, I can't go into my camera now, but that's okay. I hear breathing sounds. That's not good. I don't care who would take this freaking job. You get like $2 a day. Power. Zap. 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 Oh, I'm gonna win. Well, there. Well. Well then. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Well, YouTube. I hope you enjoyed episode 1 of Five Nights at Freddy's. Be sure to subscribe and tune into my next episode. And until my next video, happy stay. Hey YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, scroll down and leave a like. And if you enjoy all my content, why not click that button to join the Joe Illuminati's. Until I make my next video, happy stay.